Clinical trials carry delivery risk before the first participant is enrolled. Trial 0 makes that risk visible. This trial has not recruited a single participant, but it is already carrying an operational risk. Trial 0 helps sponsor teams expose and stress test those risks before the first site opens. I am using the publicly available protected TAVR evidence package. Trial 0 converts the protocol into a version baseline of scientific constraints, delivery requirements, and exact source citations. This is explicitly a public evidence demonstration, not an authentic sponsor record or regulatory assessment. The sponsor and its collaborators then record assumptions within their responsibilities. Here, the sponsor and CRO hold different recruitment expectations. Trial 0 preserves both, detects the confidence variance, and sends the material question to the Evidence Council. This is a controlled replay of the GPT 5.6 Evidence Council interface. The production run was separately verified today. 11 specialist roles completed with 12 citations and server attestation. Its daily cost guardrail is now exhausted, so this replay uses the project's controlled test runtime. It is not a second live model call. Notice that it fails closed at 10 of 11, preserves the failed record, then safely retries. In production, every response must pass schema and citation validation. The moderator can cross-examine findings, but cannot vote, change an assumption, or authorize a decision. The sponsor confirms the council scope and disposes each finding. The AI can challenge and explain evidence, but it cannot advance a governance gate. Every consequential transition requires an explicit human action and is preserved in the decision ledger. At Gate 4, the sponsor chooses the exact scenario input. Deterministic code, not the language model, runs a synthetic aggregate 24-week delivery stress test. The seed, assumptions, adapted manifest, authorization, and resulting events are cryptographically bound together. Now we compare the authorized scenario with the conservative baseline. The assumption autopsy reconstructs the complete causal chain. Protocol citation, confirmed constrained, sponsor assumption, CRO contribution, variance, AI challenge, human disposition, scenario input, and deterministic consequence. The result is a version protocol delivery baseline containing the selected scenario, unresolved risks, responsibility mapping, evidence lineage, and authorization history. An amendment can create a new version without erasing the original reasoning. Trial 0. Run the trial before you run the trial.
Codex was my engineering partner from architecture through hardening. It helped implement the governed workflow, review production risks, and verify 1,140 unit tests and 9 browser tests. GPT 5.6 challenges evidence. Deterministic code computes consequences. Humans retain authority. Trial 0. Run the trial before you run the trial.